Hello viewers, myself Amit Ganguli, Assistant Professor in School of Advanced Computing in Sage University, Bhopal. Today I am going to discuss about the topic types of variable in Java. As we know that for any language, data play vital role in the data play vital role. To hold the variable, hold the data, we use the variable, and variable it means variable is used to hold the store the values and is the way to declare the variable. First we declare the data type, then we declare the variable name. In Java, there are three types of variable names are types are local, instance or non-static, and third one is static. Okay, student. Okay, we are this is the difference among all the type of variable. Number one, declaration. If we talk about the declaration of local variable, it is declared inside the method or constructor or any block. If we talk about the declaration of instance, it will declare inside the class but not inside any method. If we talk about the static variable, it will declare inside the class with a static keyword but not inside the method. If we talk about the default value, local, no value assigned by JVM to local variable. Default here default value assigned by to instance variable. For instance variable, default value assigned by JVM, and for static variable, default value assigned by JVM. If we talk about the scope, local variable is having the scope only within the body where it is declared, either in method or in constructor or in any block. But if we talk about the instance variable, it is accessible inside the class. But in static member, if we want to access the instance variable, we have to create the object first, then we can access the instance variable. But in non-static member, we can access them directly. If we talk about the static variable inside the class can be accessed anywhere, either in static or in non-static. The method of accessing the static variable is same. We have to access the static variable by the name of the class. Fourth point is memory allocation or deallocation. If we talk about local variable get the memory when method or constructor execution started, and they deallocated the memory when method or constructor execution is end. If we talk about instance variable get the memory when object is created, and instance variable deallocate memory is deallocated when object is destroyed. For last, static variable get the memory when class is loaded, and the memory is released when a class is unloaded. Memory area in different area, different variables stored in different area of the memory. Different variable are stored. Local variable is stored in stack area, instance variable stored in heap area, and static variable stored in method area. Okay, okay, viewers, this is a program. Here we are creating a class ABC, name is ABC. Inside ABC, we are creating two variable, name is A and B. But A is instance variable because it is declared inside the class, not inside any method. But B is static variable because it is declared inside the class, not inside the method, and it is preceded with the static keyword. If we talk about the method, we are having two methods. One is static, one is non-static. Non-static method name is count, and static method name is main. In static and non-static method, we are creating two local variable. Name is C and another name is OB. C is declared inside count and OB declared inside the main method. So if we talk about the variable A can be accessed inside the main method as well as the count method. If we access the A inside the main method, first we have to create the object, then we can access the A variable. If we talk about count method, count is a non-static method. So if you want to access the A inside the non-static, we can access them directly without any object. But if we talk about the B will access inside the count as well as in main method by the using the name of the class. Okay, viewers, we can see the demo also in the Eclipse ID. Okay, student, this is the same program which I have written in the PPT. That is, I am creating a class ABC. Here I am having two variable A and B, which is A is instance variable, B is static variable, and we have two method. Name is count and main. Count is static, non-static method, and main is static method. If we talk about the accessing of the A inside the count and main, so first, if you want to access A inside the main, we have to create the object, and inside the ABC constructor, we can access the A automatically. Okay, student. Here one line I'm going to mention here that if we don't create your constructor, automatically compiler can provide their own constructor. So it will initialize A by default value. Compiler will initialize the A by default value. Okay. If it access the A inside the count method, we can access it directly. Here we can see that we don't have any problem regarding the accessing of the A variable. But if we talk about the B, if we write B, we will getting the error here, because if we want to access the static variable either in static or non-static member, we should first write the class name, then the dot operator, then we can assign them any value. This is the right syntax to access the static method. In the same in the non-static method, in the same way, if we talk about the static method, we can write here also abc dot a equal to 8. Okay, student. Okay, viewers. abc dot sorry abc dot b equal to 8. So this is the right way to access the variable. Okay, viewers. If we run this program, we can see the some output. Right now, this program not showing any output because we are not showing any and printing any value in the count. If we show the value of count, we can write here. Okay, student. Here we are getting some error. Why? Because this is happening so because this is C is local variable, and local variable is not initialized by the JVM. So we have to first initialize the local variable by any value, then we can not getting any error. And when we run this program, we will get the output 9. Okay, student. So that's it about that is the demonstration of the types of variable. Okay, viewers. Okay, viewers, that's it about the types of variable in the Java. So in this session, we discuss about the types of variable. Here we see the three types of variable: local, static, and instance, and we understand what is the basic difference between all of them. Okay, viewers, thank you so much for attending the session.